YouTube, what's going on, man? We got a bearish setup happening on Meta right now. Let me go through it right quick on the 2-hour chart. We got Meta flipping bearish right here. If we look at that market structure, we got the high, low, lower high, boom, breaking this low right here. And that boy looked like it might want to spill all the way down to the previous day low, which is Friday's low. So I'm gonna see if that boy can get all the way down there. If not, cool. I'm gonna ride that trend down as far as I wanna go though. 2-minute chart, you can see a downtrend trying to start right here. High, low, lower high, boom. If we break this low a day, support, that boy could start spilling. So I'm gonna wait and see what to do here. Look like Meta trying to form another little lower high right here. High, low, lower high, equal low, lower high right here. So the bears is holding it down right now. We need that boy to break this lower day. Support. I'm gonna draw a support zone at lower day right here. Boom. That's what we need to break down from. I'm gonna get my contracts ready. I'm gonna go December 13th expiration, 617.5 strike on Meta puts. I would like to see it close below this lower day, below the zone. And I'll definitely get in puts. I'm gonna get in now. I'm in Meta puts right now. Stop loss right above this breakout candle. Boom. And that's gonna be a trailing stop loss too. What I see is a downtrend starting right here. High, low, lower high. Boom, broke this lower day, broke this support zone. Now that boy should start a downtrend to the downside. Yeah, Meta looking good right here. Back on the 5-minute, look at them big old volume candles. Big old volume candles. That boy looks strong. We just put a doji in right here. We could get a small pullback to the upside. Yeah, that boy could pull back to the upside, which is cool though. As long as we hold this downtrend. As long as we make another lower high, we're gonna be good. Good, Meta. But still trying to push down. Let's see if we can break below this doji candle. If we break below this doji, we could keep on coming down. Five-minute chart, big old candles. Oh my gosh, yes sir, still moving. Might have a pullback coming in now on Meta. Get our first green candle after that big old push down. Let's see how far I want to pull back. Like I said, as long as that boy make another lower high, it's cool. All right, that boy Meta trying to curl over right here to make another lower high, look like. Yep, boom. Lower high right here. If we break lower day, we can keep on going down. I'm gonna trim my stop loss way down here. Boom. There you go, Meta. Breaking that lower day. If that boy closed below lower day, it should keep on going down. Look like we might get another little pullback right here. Yup. Low, high, lower low, pulling back right here again. Let's see if that boy make another lower high. Curl over some more. I'm gonna trim my stop loss above consolidation. Looking nice, yes sir. Hey, come on, man. Come on, man. Hey, that boy's a dang sniper, man. That boy's a sniper. This how you manage your trade, man. Stand that boy, catch the whole trend. A real trend killer, man. Almost down to the Friday's lows. Good. I'll try the stop loss. We're getting close to Friday's lows down here. I'm gonna be careful down here because a lot of times stuff will get real close to support, but not quite touch it. It'll bounce up early though. I'm gonna trail the stop loss super tight right here. Super tight. I'm really giving y'all boys a mastermind on how to manage your trade right now, man. Is it gonna give me 80? I'll get out, that boy give me 80, man. You feel me? Yes, sir, let me get up out of there. Got my 80%, yes, sir, I'm cool. Oh my gosh, that boy's still going, man. Woo! Hey, that boy's still going crazy, man. Hold on. Look at the 5 minute, bro. Caught that whole move from way up here. Snipe that boy. Golly. Hey, that boy is really a trend killer, man. Sheesh. Whoever that boy is in that mask, watch him. All right, let me show y'all boys the overall play. Let me show y'all why I had that boy coming down. All right, boom. Look on the 2 hour. It's real simple, man. Super simple play right here. High, low, lower high. Boom, broke this low. And that boy spilled to the next support, which was the previous day low. Now let's look at the entry. Look straight on the 2 minute. 2 minute chart. That boy formed support at lower day. Boom, held it at support. Real simple, look at this downtrend starting right here. High, low, lower high. Equal low, lower high again, boom. Broke this low, broke support. Entered, right on this candle, boom. Enjoy the ride, man. Downtrend. Look at that boy. All the way down. And I also drop my watch list every morning for you to follow. But if y'all boys rocking with the videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of here.